Hi everyone, my name is Doak. I graduated Macalester in the class of 2018. Played football for the Fighting Scots in 2014 and 2015. And after an injury, I started to help out the coaching staff in 2016 and 2017. After Macalester, I took a position as an investment research analyst within US Bank's asset management group. And probably the biggest thing that I learned while being a student athlete at Macalester is how to manage time. I think all Macalester students understand that you're going through a very, very difficult course workload and have a lot of homework, papers, tests to study for. But I think being a student athlete in Macalester, especially a football player, you have, on top of that, you also have football meetings, practices, film review, and then on top of that, during the fall, you also lose an entire day of your weekend to traveling and playing games. So I think learning how to juggle all those different responsibilities has really been, a blessing in disguise as I've gone into my own career working within investment research.